Hi guys, today we're going to be learning about how to add and subtract decimals. Okay, so first we're going to try to find the sum of 23.1 and 5.8. So when we are rounding, anything that is like 1 to 4, we're going to go down. If it is 5 to 9, we're going to go up. Okay, so 23.1 go down to 23, and 5.8 will actually go up to 6 because 8 makes the number go up. So if we add these together, we will get 29. Okay, so our answer for this should be about 29. So now let's start lining up everything. So we need to first line up the decimal points. That is the most important thing you need to learn from this. So we have 23.1 and 5.8. Okay, my decimal points are right on top of each other. I can bring it straight down. Right, and now I just add with whole numbers. So 1 and 8 is 9, 3 and 5 is 8, and 2 you just bring down because there's nothing there to add. So our answer is 28.9, which is definitely about 29. And so our answer, the sum of our answer is 28.9. Right? All right. Another example would be 114.9 and 78.5. So we are going to make 114 115, okay, and 78.5 we're going to make that into 79, right? And if we add those together, we will get 194. Okay, so our answer should be about 194. And so first things first, let's line up our decimals. So we have 114.9, okay, plus 78.5. Now, if we don't line up our decimals, we will not get the correct answer. So let's bring our decimal point down and let's start adding. So this is 14, and then that is 13, and that is 9 and 1. So our answer is about 194. Okay. All right, one more quick example. So we have find the sum of 29.6 and 14.7. So again, we're going to estimate. So 29.6 is going to be about 30, and 14.7 is going to be 15. Okay, and if we add those together, we will get a 45. Right? So let's line up our decimals, which is 29.6 plus 14.7, right? And let's start adding. So we have 13, carry the 1, that's 14, carry the 1, and then we have that's 4, and then bring our decimal straight down. And so our answer for 29.6 and 14.7 is 44.3, which is about 45. Great, so now we need to find the difference. So just like we did with everything else, we are finding the difference. So first we're going to estimate, which we're going to estimate 5.774 to 6, because 7 makes the number go up. And then we have 2.371, and that's going to be 2, so because the 3 makes the number go down. So we're going to make that, sorry, that's going to be a subtract. This is going to be 2. All right, so we have 6 minus 2, which is 4. Okay, and if we line up our decimals like this, we have 3 after the 5, 3 after the 2, and we subtract like normal, and we are going to get 3.403, which is going to be about 4. Okay. All right. Again, okay, so here we go. Here's our finding our difference. So we are going to estimate. So estimating 14.983, that's going to be about 15, and 1.562, which is going to be about 2, because 5 is going to make the number go up. So we are subtracting, and we're going to get our answer is going to be about 13. Okay, so let's start lining up our decimals. So we have 14.983 minus 1.562. Okay, and then we start subtracting like normal. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4. Our decimal point is going straight down because these are both on top of each other. And then 14 minus 1 is 13. So our answer is about 13, which is close to our estimate. All right. So another time when you are subtracting, you might have a whole number minus part of a decimal point. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to annex 0. So first let's estimate. So 6 is going to stay 6, and our 4.78 is going to be rounded to 5. So we have 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1. And now let's line up our decimal points and annex our zeros so that the numbers have the same decimal places, and subtract. So we have to borrow. Okay, so that would become a 5. That would become a 9. And then that becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Our decimal point is straight down. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So our answer is about 1, just like our estimate was. So our answer to this is 1.22. Great. Another example, we have 26, which is going to be estimated to just 26. And then we have 22.45, which is going to be estimated to 22 because the 4 goes down. So then we have 26 minus 22, which is 4. And so now let's double check our math if our answer is about 4. So we have 26.00. The reason why I did 2 zeros is because there's 2 numbers behind 22. So now we have 22.45, and now everything has a number with it. All right, so now let's subtract like normal. So we have make the 6 into a 5 because we need to borrow, make that 10, borrow again, make that a 9, and we have 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. And then we have our decimals going straight down, and we have 3.55 as our answer, which is about 4. Right, so if you need more help, please let me know. I will have math help meetings at 2:45 to 3:15.